Hello fellow traders. So today I'm doing analysis of VIX. On the weekly level last week we failed to take out 1650. You see the spike up, and if we take 1779 this week out, it's a happy trade all the way to 26. It's confirmed by the stochastics. But I'm estimated, you see here, 1st May is one of the highest turning point, and it's the highest in the monthly as well. And this, at least this turning point all the way to September. So on a daily level, 28 looks like a big turning point, and I'm still waiting for the energy to kind of, it's gonna go a little bit down. And you notice the same pattern. I did the last video on VIX, I did on the same way where, these two are very close. This moved up, you see, this moved up, spiked up. We might see the same move again. Check your GMWs. You see a lot of blue and red and yellow. So important events are happening, at least on Friday and next week. Happy trading!